In this lesson, we will look at how to use the ADF. There is one ADF fitted as standard to all aircraft. The second ADF is an option. Each system has a control box located on the center pedestal. The precise location varies between aircraft. Each system also has its own antenna. Controls for ADF-1 are on the captain's side, and ADF-2, when fitted, are on the first officer's side. There are many variations of the ADF panel, but we'll use this example. Let's set up the ADF using a practical example. We're on the ground at Toulouse Airport, and in the event of an immediate return after takeoff, we have to fly to the NDB Tango Oscar Echo, TOE. To do this, we will need to tune the ADF to the correct frequency, 415 kHz. Two frequencies have already been tuned. The green light shows that 375 kHz is active. To tune another station, we shall use the standby window, shown by an extinguished light. First, we must set up TOE as our tuned station. To do this, we use the right-hand tuning knob to tune 415 in the standby window. Do this now. The tuning knob on most aircraft is divided into three rings. The outer ring is for hundreds, the middle ring is for tens, and the inner for units. Now the TOE frequency has been set up on the standby frequency window. Our next step is to activate this frequency. To activate the frequency 415 kHz, move the transfer switch. The green light is now showing that the right-hand window is displaying the active frequency. The station is now tuned. Now we're going to check the Morse ident. On some aircraft there is a BFO switch on the ADF control panel. If fitted, the switch must be in the BFO position. The BFO switch is set, so we can continue. Now you must select the ADF-1 knob on the Audio Select panel, ASP. No, you should have selected the ADF-1 knob on the Audio Select panel. Do this now. You have now confirmed that the correct station is tuned and serviceable. We are now going to look at the ND to see the effect of what we have done. You will remember that ADF information is only available in one mode on the ND. Set the selector knob to the correct ND mode now. Select the label which shows the correct mode to receive ADF information can only be displayed in ROSE mode. It will only appear on the ND if the station is tuned and serviceable. This is the ADF-1. It will always appear on the ND in magenta whenever the ADF is tuned and serviceable. If there is an ADF-2 fitted, it will be green. In the event of an immediate return after takeoff, you will fly to TOE using the ND in exactly the same way as a conventional RMI. There is a conventional ADF RMI fitted to each pilot's main instrument panel. It is a secondary instrument. On some aircraft there may be an RMDI which displays VOR or ADF on one instrument. You may use the RMI instead of the ND. The advantage in this case is that you can leave the ND set to map mode, which is the normal mode for takeoff. This ends our look at the ADF. Select the forward arrow for the quiz.